In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and print WooCommerce PDF invoices and packing slips. We'll go through the full process inside WordPress, from installing the right plugin all the way to opening the PDF and printing the finished document. This is a very useful setup if you want to create professional order paperwork for your store, keep your fulfillment process organized, and make it easier to include invoices or packing slips with customer shipments. To begin, open your WordPress dashboard and make sure you're logged into the admin area of your website. This is where you'll manage your store settings, plugins, and WooCommerce orders. Once you're inside the dashboard, install a WooCommerce PDF invoices and packing slips plugin. There are several options available, but the general process is the same. You'll search for the plugin, install it, and prepare it for use with your store. After the plugin is installed, activate it. Activation is what makes the plugin available in your WooCommerce environment, and once it's turned on, you'll usually see new settings and document options added to your store. Next, configure your business information and document layout. This part is important because the details you enter here will appear on your invoices or packing slips. Depending on the plugin you're using, you may be able to add your store name, business address, logo, and choose how the document is styled. Take a moment to review the layout so your documents look clear, professional, and easy for customers or staff to read. Once that's ready, go to WooCommerce and then Orders. This is where all customer purchases are listed. From here, select the order or orders you want to print documents for. If you're working on one shipment, you can choose a single order. If you're preparing several at once, many plugins also let you handle multiple orders in a batch, which can save time. After selecting the order or orders, choose either PDF invoice or PDF packing slip from the available actions. Be sure to pick the document type that matches what you need. An invoice is typically used for billing records, while a packing slip is useful for the package itself and usually focuses on the items being shipped. Now generate the document. The plugin will create a PDF version based on the order details and the settings you configured earlier. Then open or download the PDF so you can review it. It's always a good idea to quickly check that the customer details, products, and layout appear correctly before printing. Finally, print the order document. Once it's printed, it's ready to be included with the shipment or kept for your store records. That's it. You now know how to generate and print WooCommerce PDF invoices and packing slips.